Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the official Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate website. Look for the login or sign in option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login or sign in option to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check both entries to ensure they are accurate. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email provided. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Sign In button. After successful authentication, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you experience any issues logging in, verify your internet connection. Also, check that your email and password are correct. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. For additional assistance, refer to the support section on the website. This section often contains solutions for common login issues. Follow these steps carefully to complete the authentication process effortlessly. You're now ready to explore all that Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.